And 1 kg saffron, it costs about 6 lakh rupees. During the flowering time, you no need to have any kind of soil. You can produce this. The soil is not mandatory. It's the first harvesting done from the Hyderabad. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Oh, strong, pungent smell that's hitting my mind. This is Mr.
Lohit.
A young saffron farmer from Hyderabad. So he is a BTech student, 3rd year of CEC. You can see this complete setup. It costs about 5 lakh rupees. So guys, first thing, to get this one, you need to import the bulb from Kashmir, and you need to maintain the Kashmir temperature. So the bulb is imported from Kashmir, and after that, it will be in like 4 to 5 months. That will be, generating the flowers. And after the flowering stage, after the harvesting, it will be go under the growing stage. This is the growing stage. After that will be go under sleeping mode. That is the we consider as the dormancy stage. Growing stage and dormant stage, you need to maintain the soil. So the soil will be, it's a Hyderabad, Telangana soil. So guys, this has been like 1 year, and for the first time he got about 80 grams of saffron. Right now he's selling about 700 rupees per gram. That means 56,000 total turnover. That is the working capital. He got it back. For the second year, upcoming years, the bulb will be multiplied. From each bulb we will be getting 5 to 6 buds. So that will be multiplied. You can sell the buds. For 1 kg it costs about 1,000 rupees. That is a profit, and you can get more yield during the upcoming years. Always do the research before you starting the saffron farming. And you can see how pungent it is. Very strong. It's considered as the costliest, expensive spices in the world. What a taste, man! So lovely.